الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Dear students, teachers and guests, honorable dignitaries and my dear friends, now gathering in our great program Explore 2024, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to share my thoughts about a valuable topic, the importance of health in Islam. Today I want to speak to you a very important topic, the importance of health in Islam. As young individuals, understanding the value of health is crucial, not just for your own well-being but also for fulfilling the responsibilities that come with being part of this ummah. The Islam great emphasis on maintaining good health. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than weak believer while there is good in both. The hand highlights that physical strength and good health are valued and encouraged in Islam. Firstly, Islam teaches health is a blessing from Allah. It's mentioned in the Quran and He gives from all you ask of Him. And if you should count the favors of Allah, you could not enumerate them. Indeed, mankind generally and most unjust and grateful. وَإِن تُعِدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَظَلُومٌ كَفَّارٌ. This means we should be grateful our health and use it wisely. The Islam teaches also moderation in eating and drinking. The Quran says, وَكُلُوا وَاشْرَبُوا وَلَا تُسْرِفُوا. Eat and drink, but may not excess. Indeed, He likes not those who come into excess. Eating can lead to health issues. So moderation is maintained a balanced diet and a healthy body. Let us train a healthy lifestyle in accordance with the teachings of Islam. Thank you for your attention. I conclude my words by making a dua. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم